Nizim Africa thokozanisi sanibonani dumela ngaphsheni and low. This Dr. Uti Khehlela Makhehla nyangenkulu yase Nizim Africa. Istimela samampondo ngadla. The oracle of God himself, Inkosi yamathongo. Mamela ngwaneso. Ngisendaweni yase 180 ENM Road, Mondio, Johannesburg. Namhlanje I'm in Dark Studios, right in Mondio. Then again we also have a place in Rustenburg. In Rustenburg CBD, we have an office number 146, President Mbeki Drive, Unit 5, Fashion Walk Buildings, Ilasi Corner in Rustenburg CBD. So, particularly, if you're in Rustenburg, or maybe you're in Botswana, or any neighboring places, or neighboring province, or neighboring what, right in Rustenburg, or any place of which is nearer to Rustenburg, I've seriously opened an office for you. Please do make sure that you call and make your bookings. I'll be rightly available for you. Mamela ngwaneso, ngumuntu eguthi ngumela pendabuko. If this is the first time seeing Dr. Uti, this is Dr. Uti himself, Khehlela Makhehla nyangenkulu yase Ningzim Africa. Today my topic is about a jailbird, a bandit, a person who's jailed. I want to tell you something, uma umuntu. I hate a person who's not trying anything for impilo yakhe. I repeat, I strictly hate umuntu ukuthi akayenzi next ngempilo yakhe. Kungqono vele nje bebandit. Ngoba namabandit angqono ngoba kunamabandit ukuthi siwabala ukuthi asejele but they are in jail because of they are trying something for their families. What is it that you are doing? What is it that you are doing? I'm not saying to you, you must go and rob people's money. You must go and do wrong things. You must go and do all this associates and all that. But all I'm saying is this. What are you doing for your own survival? Because it is like you are just sitting down. You are not doing anything. Wenzani ngempilo yakho? Yini wenza ngempilo yakho? I'm talking to you. There are people today abasejele because of looting in 2020. Was it 2021? Yes, I think so. 2021. The July unrest. There were people of which they were looting, of which are in jail today. But they were looting because they were thinking for their own kids. They were thinking for their own families. So question today, ukuthi wena, what do you do for your own family? Hakiro wena sama utho, but kunabantu abangqono kunawe. Abantu ukuthi bayaqabanga, abantu ukuthi bayaphusha. If ungaphushi kulo mhlaba, uyitshela ukuthi kuyowa ibhasi ngemali, kuwe ibhasi ngokudla. I'm asking you. Kunamadoda njengoba sikhuluma kuyimanje, kunamadoda ahambile eNigeria bayifuna impilo. Kunabantu abaze kumkhuloti. As I'm talking to you now, I'm in Dark Studios in Mondio, 180 ENM Road, Mondio, Johannesburg. La ngisebenzela khona. Kunamadoda awu4 ahleli ngaphandle. Ngwabone before ngena la. Kuyimanje bayabapheka ngale. Babenzela into emali. Kuzimpilo zabo zokwazi ukuthi ishintshe futhi iqhubeke. Wena, what did you do? We are now right in December. I'm taking this video, I think it's almost the 28th of November. We are now heading to December. Just 3 days before December. Wena, what are you doing in impilo yakho? What is it that you are doing with your own life? I'm asking you. There are people of which base jail. But those people are they were fighting for their families, doing wonders for their families. When we imagine, even though you are what so be a symbol. So be a symbol. I get so be a symbol. Lawyer, so be a symbol. Hobane umotofela kula roshebila re tsebo ya morao kapa o ya pele kapa ya lehlakore asazi no dinane mo bhekele uya kuphi uyale noma uyale kunabantu ukuthi phezulu kwempilo zabo awu understand ukuthi bayale noma bayale bahleli nje okwabo nje amanga uqabanisa abantu nobufebe. Haona mutha domo sika sifebe esidomo sifebe isifebe sidomo ngabe isifebe ngoba siyaqabanisa sikhuluma manga day in and day out asinalutho into esiyenzayo ukufeba nje namanga feba ngolimi ufeba ngeprivate part ufeba ka lelimi, ufeba ka private part, ufeba ka ntongolong. Ngikhuluma ngesifebe. We don't even know ukuthi kahle kahle uya kuphi ngempilo. How batla bona motho ke sefebe? How batla bona re motho ke sefebe? O batla mmona se ke sefebe sa nnete se. Ha kgethi, aka sa khethi. Into engena ngqondo uyahla. Akafuni imdlule. Into engathi yahlanya uyahla. Isidakwanyana uyahla. Yini uyahla? Umbona there is something wrong. Hana le type. Hana le type. Uhlula ngisho na igazi. Yazi igazi line type. Nale type o nale type jwang nale type jwang. Wena o le sosa na type. Uhlula ngisho na igazi. Usudla yonke into. Yonke into ebonayo halakasha. Yonke into ebonayo halakasha. Yonke into ebonayo halakasha. Yonke into ebonayo halakasha. I am telling you an honest truth. Ukuthi a jailbird, it is better than what you are. It is better than yourself because of when you are just useless in front of yourself, in front of your family, in front of your kids. What is it that you are doing in order for you to be right? What is it that you are doing in order for your family to become a better something tomorrow? I must tell you this. There are people of which they engage themselves in serious criminal activities just because of they wanted the survival of their own kids. Bangono. Babitire ufita. Hobana batlabela dula fela. So question ukuthi wena yini oyenzayo ukwenza ukuthi impilo efamily yakho ibe ngcono? I want to tell you ukuthi kuyimanje I'll be leaving again. I'm going to Zambia again. I'll be in Kariba Dam performing serious rituals. These rituals, it is all about ukunceda umuntu omnyama. Ukunceda umuntu omnyama nokunceda mina myself. Uma ngilapha bathini eKariba Dam last time. Bekunzima, it was bad. It was bad. I won't lie to you. Going to all these countries ngaphandle, it is not like South Africa. It is very dangerous, I must say. But the Tonga people of which are there in Zambia, they do have that kind of heart for us as South Africans because of we do give them money when we are that side. But anything else other than that, it is very dangerous. The roads that side, the weather and everything, it is bad. So in Dabi Sekteni, Ngiyaya, I'm risking my life for the betterment of my life, for the betterment of my family. So what is it that you are doing for impilo yakho? Hence I'm saying to you, jailbird, ingqondo kunawe, ibhantiti ingqondo kunawe. Umuntu ukuthi usejele, umuntu ukuthi ufaka amaketango. Kunabanye abantu abaphethwe laphayana babanjele izinto ukuthi bebenza ama-deal ngenxa yokuthi bekwazi ukuthi kudliwe ukudla emzini yabo. Not because of being selfish, but today they're in jail. They're in jail at the correctional service being corrected for their wrongs. The question is, wena umuntu, what is it that you are doing? Because of you have that freedom yokuthi wenza impilo yakho ibe ngcono. Une freedom yokuthi ungabona umkhuluthi, une freedom yokuthi ungavula amabhizinisi, une freedom yokuthi singakumbathisa into yemali kuze impilo yakho ikwazi ukuthi ibe right. Une freedom yokuthi singakumbathisa into yokuphakama kuze impilo yakho ibe right. What is it that you are doing? Are you living your life officially like you are more like a sex worker? You are more like a sex worker. Uphila impilo yakho nje kungathi sex worker. You are having sex every day. You are having sex every day. You are having sex every day. Number one, sex the spirit. Sex the spirit. Number one, sex the spirit. What proves that this sex the spirit? First and foremost, sex on its own. Sex on its own. Sex on its own. In sex, you can feel good. Again, in sex, you can get serious sicknesses. even more than what you think. Because if I know when I say serious sickness, you're only thinking, you're only thinking of HIV and AIDS. There are more other sicknesses as well from sex. Again, sex is spirit. Sex. It is something of which abantu are poor people. No one loves sex more than poor people. Broke people. Abantu are broke. Abantu are poor. They love sex. They have sex every day. Hence, they become poor each and every day. Because of their having sex, nabantu abangcolile. Alala nomunye naye ungcolile. Naye lo yafutelele naye ungcolile. I'm talking about sex. So, mntakababa ngikhuluma nawe usemakhaya, uhleli kuyimanje ungilalele. Lo khuluma nomkhuluti, inyanga enkulu yaseNingizimu Afrika, inyanga ephakamisa abantu. I'll repeat again. We have an office in Rustenburg, number 146, President Mbeki Drive, Unit 5, Fashion Walk Buildings in Rustenburg, CBD. Please do know that in Rustenburg we have an office. Lapho we have everything amkhuluti. Sisebenza abantu, sisiza abantu, sikhanyisela impilo zabantu. Even consultation, counseling, I do provide in Rustenburg. So, you must have a clear mind. You must have a clear mind. Uma umuntu. Qabangela impilo yakho. Qabangela impilo yakho. Kuyimanje I'm introducing to you imbatha lemali. Imbatha lemali, it is when sithatha ingubo. Le ngubo lena kumele sihambe nayo soyishiya ethuneni mina nawe. Sihamba nawe soyishiya ingubo ethuneni, sikuphakamisa ngale thuna lo muntu lo. Maqedwe uphakamisa ethuna lo muntu lo, thatha ingubo uyoyishiya ethuneni. Le ngubo le njengoba uyithatha uyishiya ethuneni, siyosebenzisa lo muntu lo ukuze ukwazi ukuthi kuphakamise futhi avule impilo yakho, akukhanyisele. Imbatha lemali uma ngilenza, ngifuna ube nemali engange 30,000. Ngiyaphinda futhi, imbatha lemali it is 30,000 rand uma ngikwenzela lona. Lana sihamba nawe sifike sikuthathe siye ethuneni. Masifike ethuneni sifike simbathise lela thuna ngengubo. Leya ngubo ishiya lapha hambi nayo. Simbathisa lo muntu olele. Then emva kwalokho kube ukuthi siyahamba nawe, siyabuya sikufaka ingqabo zakhona ukwazi ukuthi uyoyenza imali ube right phezulu impilo yakho. There are people of which they are needing that freedom. They need the freedom that you have. Kunabantu ukuthi kuyimanje they are sick. Someone is in hospital. Someone is crippled. Kunomuntu ukuthi udinga inyawo kunamhlanje. Njengoba edinga inyawo hamba nge-wheelchair. This person is sitting on a wheelchair. Ufuna i-freedom that you have. But akayitholi. What is it that you are doing with that freedom of which you have? Angikuthile mana usangikuthele ding akinadaba. This is Dr. Uthikehlela Makhehla, nyanga enkulu yase Ningizimu Afrika. Ngoba nje ngikutshele nje iqiniso. Siyabonga makhosi.